back at it again, non-stop every day. Got to keep grinding now that I'm going for sure. Today we have a box of bolts. Really nice having hardware here. We have fuel pump mounts, which we're gonna do that with some fuel pumps. I just had my fuel pumps out here. Yeah, so we're gonna drill some holes, gonna mock that up. This, oh, that's not on the plate. Here we go. This plate right here will be going down in here, bolting in, and that's where we're gonna put our fuel pump. We're gonna mount that on so it's a removable. This is for something else. Some scrap aluminum that I got. So yeah, we're gonna mock this up. Maybe some fuel pumps on there. Ordered all my new fuel hose and the last couple bits. I think it's the last couple bits. I gotta kind of look at what I'm getting. And yeah, let's get this going. And I'm going to pull these up. They're not really hard mounted. These are some nuts here. So I'm going to pull these up so that I can kind of test fit that other plate to see exactly how I like it. Maybe drill some holes for it and move on from there. So I'm moving on from that fuel pump issue. I still have a bunch of parts that are coming in I ordered that aren't here yet. It's taking a little bit longer. And I'm pumping all the fuel out of the fuel tank. So I just kind of jimmy rigged this real quick to... Probably gonna burn my pump out, but that's a junk pump, so whatever. So I think it's about done now. So we're gonna get working on this fuel sending unit. So this is the one I got. It's a Jazz part. I got a Jazz tank. Wasn't incredibly expensive, but it's a pretty simple install. Kind of just goes in like that. Drill a big hole in your tank, and yeah, so I'm gonna hole saw into my fuel tank, and yeah, probably can't see much right now. Yeah, so I think I'm going to put it right over here. Right there. That way I can run everything up over there, or actually the wiring for it's right there. So I can run it right over there. And it's got a nice little spot for it. So I'm gonna start doing that. All right, well, didn't go as smoothly as I would have hoped, but we ground a hole out of it. Pretty sure that that was like a wood bit or something ridiculous. The amount of drilling that I had to do to get that thing in and out. Shout out to PFI Speed and Cletus McFarland and all those other guys that keep me motivated throughout my shows. My my work. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's getting late. But yeah, I have the blanket down there catching all the stuff. This thing will go. Oh, look at that fit. That thing will go right in there. We'll put this thing from underneath. Got to drill some holes. And I think we're going to have ourselves a working fuel sending unit. I'd say maybe the 3 gallon, two or 3 gallons left when it'll show empty is my guess, when it's flat. So, I mean, it's not like a brand new car or something like that, which tells you exactly, but should give you a general idea of how much fuel's in the truck. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep doing drilling things and get this thing squared away. Making progress. All right, it's on. Nice and clean.
But it should last this whole day. Anyway,
got ground and signal.
Fuel is on.
Get you in here. Can't see anything. Good, good. I'll have to clean up in there a little bit, but that's on there. Now I just got to throw a connector on it, and yeah, then we'll be done back here, and I can put the thing back in. So another project getting checked off the list. I got to make the pigtail for it, hook it up to here, go to here. That's already wired up to the dash, and we'll be able to just plug in our gauge to the dash once we get it all done. So, plug it away.